Aloha. Welcome to the San Diego Hoolaulea 213. I'm Jordan Martin, President of Huli Mahane. We're here to spread the spirit of aloha to everyone. San Diego County, Southern California. Welcome. Here we are, and this is our third year. We're growing every year, and this is brought to San Diego by us for the Hawaiian community and all the Hawaiian at heart. We've got people from Washington, Arizona, Hawaii. This is a family-friendly event. Free parking. We have food vendors. We have boutique vendors. We have 2 stages. We got a canoe regatta. We're set to enjoy. Please come for our Ho'olaulea 214. Our theme for 214 is Hawaii, the growth of our kingdom. And we will have poi pounding, kapa workshops, lauhala, which is basket weaving, lehulu, which is feather art. We'll have lei making, we'll have ipu making. This is an event that you want to make, and it's all for culture. It's all for culture and the kids. We have a kapuna tent. We advise all you adults with kids and your parents. Bring the parents. Let us kapuna sit where you and your family, where you and the kids enjoy yourselves. That is our mana'o. Our mana'o is basically to allow you to enjoy yourself. Bring your parents. If your parents tell you they don't want to come, bring them anyway. Because we want to share what they grew up with, that they're no longer involved with. We want to bring it to them.